Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 8 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles north of Key Bridge to near Tidal Basin to Fort Hunt, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Chester Bay, Blackownet Point, Greenberry Point, Shadyside, Herring Bay, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Pinehurst, Gibson Island, Miles River, Love Point, Naval Academy, and North Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible.